Hi everyone, welcome back to Wake&Tech. Today I'm back with another tutorial video on how to make Instagram business account private. If you have a business account on Instagram, anyone can view your business profile, photos and posts. Not only your followers, but people who do not follow you can see your posts and updates as well. If you would like to switch your Instagram business account to private so that only approved followers will be able to see your content, keep watching the video till the end. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another update from us. Now let's proceed further. Start by tapping open your Instagram application. Let me go to my profile by tapping on the profile picture at the bottom right. As you can see that I have a business account on Instagram. If you'd like to turn your business account to private, then remember that Instagram has not enabled private profile feature for business, so you'll need to change your professional account to personal in order to make it private. So let's go ahead and do it first. From your profile page, tap on the hamburger menu at the top right, and from the expanded menu at the bottom, tap Settings. Now, under Settings, click on Account, scroll all the way down and tap on Switch Account Type at the bottom. Tap on Switch to Personal Account from the expanded menu. In the pop-up, confirm your selection by tapping on Switch to Personal Account again, and your account has been switched to Personal Account. Now you can easily turn your account to private. From your profile page, tap on the hamburger menu at the top right, go to Settings, and now, under Settings, tap on Privacy. Right at the top of the screen, under Account Privacy, you'll be able to see a button that says Private Account. Simply enable the button right next to Private Account to switch your account to private. It says that when you switch your account to private, only your followers will be able to see your photos and videos, and this won't change who can tag, mention, or message you. Tap Switch to Private, wait for a few seconds, and there you have a private account for your Instagram. When your account is private, you'll be able to see a small lock right in front of your username. That is how it is done. It's pretty simple and quick. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If you did, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Comment down below in the comment box if you have a question or a feedback for us. I'll soon be back with more tutorial episodes again. Thank you for watching.